Welcome to All About Home Decor. Today, we're diving into the world of modern home decor. Whether you're refreshing a cozy apartment or a spacious house, these simple yet stunning ideas will transform every space in your home. Get ready to elevate your interiors without breaking the bank. Living room, the heart of the home. Your living room sets the tone for your entire home. Start with a neutral palette for a sleek, modern feel. Add a pop of color with throw pillows or an accent chair. Don't forget texture, think soft rugs, velvet cushions, or a chunky knit throw. A large statement artwork or a minimal gallery wall can tie everything together. And for lighting? Go for a combination of floor lamps and pendant lights to create the perfect ambience. Dining area, style meets function. Modern dining rooms are all about blending style with functionality. Opt for a sleek dining table with clean lines, paired with upholstered chairs for comfort. Centerpieces should be minimal. A vase with fresh greenery or a set of sculptural candle holders can add just the right touch. Consider a bold lighting fixture like a geometric chandelier to make your dining space truly memorable. Kitchen, clean and practical. A modern kitchen thrives on simplicity. Open shelving not only makes the space look larger, but also adds a decorative element. Keep countertops clutter-free, and focus on sleek appliances and high-quality finishes like quartz or marble. Incorporate greenery with small potted herbs for a functional yet stylish addition. Bedroom, your personal sanctuary. Create a calming retreat by focusing on soft, muted tones and cozy textiles. A modern bedroom benefits from a statement headboard or bold bedding patterns. Layer your lighting with bedside lamps and string lights for a warm glow. Add a touch of personality with framed artwork or a small shelf displaying your favorite books and decor. Bathroom, spa-like simplicity. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. Stick to a monochrome palette or soft pastels. Incorporate floating shelves for storage and decor. Accessories like wood accents, fluffy towels, and elegant soap dispensers can make a world of difference. Don't forget to add a statement mirror to enhance light and space. Outdoor spaces, bringing the indoors out. Don't neglect your outdoor areas. Modern outdoor decor is all about comfort and style. Invest in cozy furniture, outdoor rugs, and string lights to create a welcoming vibe. Add planters with lush greenery for a touch of nature. If space allows, a fire pit or a small water feature can be the ultimate showstopper. Modern home decor doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By focusing on clean lines, simple accents, and functional pieces, you can create a home that's both stylish and welcoming. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.